Hi boys and girls, so this week we're going to continue with our work on money. So for this exercise we're going to do exercise D, and this is about your school supplies for back to school. So it's asking you, what coins would you use to pay for the following? Okay, so what coins would you use to buy the book that's €3.50? And like that you'll want to use as few coins as possible. Now, what you can do is you can upload a video of you using actual coins, or you can do it in your copy. You could draw out the coins, or simply say, for example, €2 plus €1 plus whatever else, plus 50 cents. And don't forget to use your euro symbol. So it's just like a C with two horizontal lines in the middle. Okay, so a trickier one here with your crayons, they're $1.99, so you have to make up 99 cents. Okay, so like that, if you remember from last week, I told you how we made up 80 cents and 88 cents, and it was using all the coins. So same for 90 cents, you have to use quite a few coins. Just a hint, have a look at 50 cents and two 20-cent coins. So 50 cent and two 20-cent coins for that one. That definitely helps to make up 9.90, and of course then similarly 5 cent, 2 cent and 2 cent will make up 9, won't it? Okay, so then you've got a handier one here. You've got something that costs €1, and then you've got your homework diary, which is €2.49. So again, you have to make up the 9 cent there in your cent coins. And again, feel free to show that to me on video. You can draw it in your copy, or you can do a little demonstration, whatever you like. Now, for number 2, what change would you get from €5 for each of the items above? And again, you can answer that question in any way you want. You can say it out, you can write them down and tell me, or you can answer that in your copy. And if you answered it in your copy, of course, then you have €5 and no cent, and taking away €3.50. Or what you can do is get someone in your house to help you add up in your head how to get the change from €5. So an easy one, what change would you get from €5 if you gave in, or if you wanted the pencil case for €1 and you gave in a €5 note? What change would the shopkeeper give back to you? And like that, you could demonstrate that in your house. And exactly right. The answer is €4 in change. So it's €5 minus €1. So that's an easy one to do. But another way of doing it is to count up to €5. So for example, if we have something that costs €3.50, let's count from €3.50 up to €5. And let's say we're going to use maybe only euros and 50-cent coins. That's all we need to count up to €5 here. So $3.50 plus 50 cent is €4. So keep that little 50 cent in your mind. So we're at €4. How much more do we need to go from €4 to €5? Well, that's easy, isn't it? We get €1. So let's take back that 50 cent that we had in our head and put it together with that euro, and like that it's €1.50. And that's a little bit of an easier way than doing it, say for example in your copy of €5 minus €3.50, because you have to do a lot of crossing off, and in actual fact it's easier just to count up. I'll give you a little hint for $1.99. How many cents do you need to get to €2? Well, you only need 1 cent to get to €2. How many euros is it from €2 to €5? Okay, so you've got €2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and then keep that little 1 cent in your mind as well. And like that, I'll leave $2.49 with you. And like that, present that in any way that you can. And the last activity that you might like to do is, we have to change that a bit, obviously it's class-based, but why don't you set up a shop in your house, and you could buy and sell things in your house, and you could get anybody in your family to come and buy all of the products in your shoppa, and they could give you the correct change like that if you have spare change around the house, or you could make your own paper money as well. Why not? So very best of luck with those activities, boys and girls.